if you're experiencing issues with a coupon not working on Optum perks. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check the coupon expiration dates. Ensure that the coupon you are trying to use is still valid. Coupons often have expiration dates, and using an expired coupon will result in it not working. Step 2. Verify the terms and conditions. Read the terms and conditions associated with the coupon. Some coupons may only be valid for specific products or services, or may require a minimum purchase amount. Step 3. Confirm the correct code entry. Double check that you have entered the coupon code correctly. Look for any typos, extra spaces, or incorrect characters that may have been included when entering the code. Step 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SR to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the coupon still isn't working after following the previous steps, reach out to Optum Perks customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and provide further guidance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your coupon on Optum Perks. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.